Let food be thy medicine and medicine be thy food. Hippocrates. This famous quote from Hippocrates, the father of modern medicine, highlights the importance of food in maintaining good health and well-being. In today's fast-paced world, people are often too busy to prepare healthy meals, leading to a rise in unhealthy eating habits and lifestyle-related diseases. One solution to this problem is incorporating smoothies into our daily diets as a meal replacement shake. Smoothies are a quick, easy way to get all the necessary nutrients in one drink. They can be made with fresh fruits, vegetables, other healthy ingredients. Providing a balanced meal is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Smoothies are also low in calories, making them an excellent option for those looking to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. In addition to being a convenient meal replacement, smoothies can also provide numerous health benefits. They can help improve digestion, boost energy levels, support the immune system. Smoothies are also an excellent source of hydration, which is essential for maintaining healthy skin, hair, and nails. When it comes to making smoothies, the possibilities are endless. You can experiment with different ingredients to create unique flavor combinations. Customize your smoothie to suit your individual needs and preferences. Whether you're looking for a quick breakfast on the go or a post-workout snack, smoothies are a versatile and nutritious option. In conclusion, Hippocrates' quote reminds us, the food we eat has a significant impact on our health and well-being. Smoothies are an excellent way to incorporate healthy, nutrient-rich foods into our diets, providing a convenient, delicious meal replacement option. So, why not try making a smoothie today? See the benefits for yourself.